Question 1 on the non-calculator paper. The first few questions of this paper are very straightforward. There's no tricks. All you need to do is read the information and answer the question correctly. Now the first one that we have here is an ordered stem and leaf diagram. So what you need to remember is do your stem and leaf. You've got space here to do your stem and leaf. You've got a diagram. The second diagram is then what you have to do is make sure it is ordered. Now there are 3 marks to this question. The final mark is for your key. Don't forget to do your key. So what we need to do here, keywords are ordered stem and leaf diagram. And also I'm going to highlight the 156 and the 192 because those are my starting points to construct my stem and leaf diagram. I've got to make a decision here. I can't start my stem with ones because they all begin in ones. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to start my stem with 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. And from there I'm going to put my data. Starting from the beginning, 165 is going to be recorded 165, 164, 176, 179, 188, 178, 183, 172, 180, 190, 167, 159, 156, 176, 173, 168, 169, 182, 167 and 192. Now I need to order these. So my 15 is going to go here and I'm going to put 6 followed by 9. 16, I need to order these. I'm going to cross them off because there's quite a few. 4, 5, I've got 7, 7, 8 and 9. I'm going to do the 17, I've got 2, 3, then I've got 6, 6, 8 and 9. The 18 is going to be 0, 2, 3, 8 and 19 is going to be 0 and 2. Notice I've got my numbers going down underneath each other. I now need to remember I must put a key on these. Doesn't matter which piece of data I use. So I'm going to use 15-6 stands for 156 centimetres. Question B, work out the percentage of these men with a height greater than 184. You need to find the number of men with a height greater than 184 and then you need to put that over 20. That number divided by 20 then needs to be converted to a percentage. Greater than 84, I have got 1, 2, 3 men. That is 3 men out of the total of 20 men. This is a non-calculator paper. I have to change this to a percentage. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write this out of 100. I'm going to multiply that by 5. That by 5 gives me 15 over 100. That will give me 15%. So my answer here is 15%. There was 2 marks for this. 1 was the final answer and 1 was doing the 3 out of 20. There were 3 marks for this question. 1 was for the unordered stem and leaf, 1 was for the ordered stem and leaf, and 1, as always, for the key. Recap on this question, make sure you do an ordered stem and leaf and you have a key that goes with it. The second part was a straightforward conversion of a fraction to a percentage. Easiest way to do it is make sure that it's out of 100 and then you can just write down the percentage. A number of students gave an answer as 85, which was the number of people less than 184, which was incorrect. So read your question carefully.